Hello guys, welcome to the next video of HTML for the beginners. In the last video of the HTML series, we have seen some of the basic information about the HTML, how to use the HTML and what is the HTML exactly with the help of some presentation. Now in this video, we are going to see how to download and install one best text editor to write a code for the HTML. So here for this HTML series, throughout all the series, we are going to use one best text editor called as Atom. So let's see how to download and install this Atom for the Windows. So here we have to open the browser, and inside the search box we have to search for the Atom, and here we have to open this first link like atom.io. so we have to click on this link, and here it will open the atom.io link. Now here you will get some of the different options, some of the different information regarding these Atom. So this Atom is totally hackable text editor, means this is totally free editor and user can customize this text editor as per the situation and as per the needs. And the best thing about this Atom text editor is that it is totally a cross platform. That means you can use this Atom text editor on the Windows, Mac OS and Linux as well. So this is one of the big advantage of this Atom text editor. So here you will get some download options. So here we have to click on this download. So your download will get started, as you can see here. But I have already downloaded this setup and I have already kept the setup file on my desktop. So I will just come to my desktop, and here as you can see I have already put the setup file on my desktop. So what I have to do, I have to just double click on this, so the setup will get started. Now here we have to just click on the run. So it will take some time because this is one of the heavyweight text editor, so it will take some time, but it is totally free, totally good for the HTML programmers. Now as you can see, the execution of this file is started, and here you will get a message like Atom is being installed and it will launch once it is done. So here we have to just wait and we have to just relax until the whole procedure will get completed. So here keep this as it is and don't click anywhere, so it will get installed perfectly. So once all the procedure get completed, then you will be able to see this kind of interface in front of you. Now at the right side you will be able to see some welcome guide and some basic settings such as installing package, choosing the themes, customizing the styles and all the other things. And here you will get at the top some of the basic options like any other text editor, such as the file, edit, view, selection, find and all the others things. So here this is the basic text editor, and we have installed this Atom text editor successfully on the Windows 10. These same procedures we must have to follow to install these on the Mac OS or on the Linux like this. Now here inside these text editors we have to write the code for the HTML. So how to write the code inside this text editor we will see in the next video. So thank you for watching this video and subscribe to my channel, Learn Programming Yourself.